Hey guys! Welcome to part 2 of the walking tour video of the Pico De Loro. On part 1, I have walked you through the beach area of the Pico De Loro, Hamilo coast. If you want to watch that video, please click on the link above or in the description. In this video, I will be walking to the Pico De Loro Lagoon. I will also take you to the amenities area, show you the swimming pools available to guests. And right at the end, I will go into one of the condo lobbies and show you how one looks like. I started walking from the beach entrance and making my way to the lagoon. This road that you see here goes around the whole property and has access to all the condo buildings in Pico De Loro. And this is one of the shuttle service that goes around, and I have ridden it and took a video of my ride. I might be making part 3 for this if you're interested. Tell me in the comment section if you would like to see that. This is the lagoon. The lagoon here is right in the heart of the Pico De Loro. We are going around the lagoon by this path. This path also has direct access to all the condos of Pico De Loro. It's also a good way around the whole property. By the way, Pico De Loro is a premium leisure resort that boasts of a pristine white sand in Nasugbu, Batangas, just 2 hours away from Metro Manila. We booked an overnight stay through Airbnb. Follow my other socials on Instagram at Technica Media, on Facebook at Technica_media. This path encircles the lagoon, and because of that, it's a good area to take your morning walk, run, or jog, as it is safe, far away from any vehicular traffic. We booked an overnight stay in one of the studio units in a condo similar to this. We booked the studio via Airbnb. The unit that we booked is facing the road. I would recommend for you to book a unit facing the lagoon so that you'll have a better view, as all units comes with a balcony. I am now on the middle part of the lagoon. On the other side is the clubhouse where all the amenities are located. Let's continue with the walk And now, I crisscross on the opposite side of the path. I am now at the clubhouse, and this is one of the pools that are available to guests. It is still early, and the pool is still closed during this time. This is the biggest pool here, and there are a lot of lounge beds scattered around. Too bad it's still early, as the water looks so nice, and especially during this hot, humid morning. It looks like that the pool is an infinity pool, as it creates an illusion that the pool stretches towards the waters of the lagoon. Here is the restaurant located here at the clubhouse. The alfresco area has a nice view of the infinity pool. I believe there is also an air-conditioned area as well. Here's another view of the infinity pool from the vantage point of the restaurant. This is another smaller pool which I believe is a kiddie pool with a slide. I did not cover the other amenities in this video. Pico De Loro has their own tennis court, basketball court, badminton court, and more. They even have their own bowling alleys and gym. Now time to go back to the lagoon and continue my walk. Pico De Loro has their own hotel. Now this is the Pico Sands Hotel. This can also be an option for you should you want to stay in this resort. If you're still here watching, I thank you, as you're one of the few people that watches till the end. I will now show you what the lobby of the condo looks like. We stayed at the Miranda B building. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.